Unit 3 test. First, read the question on your own, and then push play and have me read the question for you. Then show your work and do your best. Number 1. A factory makes 400 refrigerators every day. The factory makes 125 more stoves per day than refrigerators. Which equation can be used to find X, the total number of refrigerators and stoves the factory makes in one day? A. X equals 400 plus 400 plus 125. B. X equals 400 plus 125. C. X equals 400 plus 400 minus 125. D. X equals 400 minus 125. Number 2. The table shows a relationship between the input numbers and the output numbers generated by a number machine. Here's our number machine. The input is 1, the output is 15. 2, the output is 16. The input is 3, the output is 17. Put it 4, the output is 18. Which number machine shows the same relationship as the one shown in the table? F. Input plus 14, output. G. Input times 15, output. H. Input times 8, output. J. Input plus 1, output. Number 3. Gwen bought an old table. She repaired it and painted it so that it looked new. Then she sold the table. Gwen made this list about what she did. Price paid for an old table, $10. Cost to repair, $5. Cost to paint, $7. Selling price, $50. What was Gwen's profit from selling the table? Was it A, $28, B, $50, C, $22, D, $40? Number 4. The list shows the number of trees Isaiah planted in 3 years. He planted 521 trees in the first year. He planted 387 trees in the second year. He planted 438 trees in the third year. Isaiah wants to plant a total of 2,000 trees. How many more trees does Isaiah need to plant? Is it F, 654, G, 1,346, H, 874, J, 764? Number 5. The table shows the number of cartons of milk the school cafeteria sold each day last week. We have milk. The day Monday, cartons sold 352. Tuesday, 426. Wednesday, 449. Thursday, 373. Friday, 402. Which of these is the best estimate of the number of cartons of milk that the cafeteria sold last week? A, 400. B, 1,800. C, 2,000. D, 2,500. Number 6. A stadium sold 33,300 tickets to a concert. Which statement about this number is true? F. The value of the digit in the tens place is 10 times the value of the digit in the hundreds place. G. The value of the digit in the thousands place is 1/10 the value of the digit in the 10,000s place. H. The value of the digit in the hundreds place is 10 times the value of the digit in the thousands place. Or J. The value of the digit in the 10,000s place is 1/10 the value of the digit in the hundreds place. Number 7. Quinlan described a number using these clues. The value of the digit 7 is 7 times 10. The value of the digit 3 is 3 times 1,000. The value of the digit 1 is 1 times 100. Which number could fit Quinlan's description? A. 3,175. B. 93,075. C. 3,651. Or D. 9,372. Number 8. Adam puts the same number of cherry tomatoes on each salad he makes in his restaurant. The table below shows the number of cherry tomatoes in different numbers of salads. Numbers of salads: 25 salads gives you 120 cherry tomatoes. 35 salads, 130 cherry tomatoes. 50 salads, 145 cherry tomatoes. 100 salads, 195 cherry tomatoes. Which statement describes the relationship between the number of salads and the number of cherry tomatoes? F. The number of salads minus 100 equals the number of cherry tomatoes. G. The number of salads plus 100 equals the number of cherry tomatoes. H. The number of salads plus 95 equals the numbers of cherry tomatoes. J. The number of salads minus 95 equals the number of cherry tomatoes. Number 9. The weight of 4 hippos at a zoo are listed. Hippo W, 9,894 pounds. Hippo X, 3,648 pounds. Hippo Y, 3,699 pounds. Hippo Z, 3,806 pounds. If the hippos are listed in order from least weight to greatest weight, which hippo would come in third on this list? A. Hippo W, because of this relationship. B. Hippo X, because of this relationship. C. Hippo Y, because of this relationship. Or D. Hippo Z, because of this relationship. Number 10. The counter shows the number of times the website has been visited. Here's the counter right here. What is the value of the digit 4 in this number? Is it F 400, G 40, H 4, or J not here? Number 11. Scott traveled 1,557 miles to visit his cousin. What is this number rounded to the nearest hundred? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 12. The table below shows the length of the railway network in each of 5 countries. Here's the country, here's the length of the railway. Brazil, 28,538,000. France, 29,640,000. Italy, 20,255,000. Japan, 27,182,000. South Africa, 20,192,000. Which list shows these countries in order from shortest to longest railway network? F. France, Brazil, Japan, Italy, South Africa. G. South Africa, Italy, Japan, Brazil, France. H. France, South Africa, Italy, Japan, Brazil. J. South Africa, Italy, Japan, France, Brazil. Number 13. Miss Holloway has $628 in her bank account. She deposited or put in $403. She spent $296 at the grocery store. She donated or gave away $357 to an animal shelter. How much money does she have in her bank account now? A. 1,031. B. 653. C. 378. Or D. 1,684. Number 14. Maria drove for work 4 days last week. She drove 187 miles on Monday, 129 miles on Wednesday, 190 miles on Thursday, and 158 miles on Saturday. Which 2 days have a sum greater than 350 miles? F. Wednesday and Thursday. G. Monday and Saturday. H. Monday and Wednesday. J. Thursday and Monday. Number 15. Raina sold pins decorated with fancy tape. Raina's expenses were $6 for supplies. Raina sold 12 pins for $1 each. What was Raina's profit? A. $19. B. $6. C. $12. D. $7. Number 16. Zoe sold snacks at a neighborhood pool. The cost of preparing the snacks was $10. The money she received from the sale of the snacks was $21. What was Zoe's profit? F, $31. G, $21. H, $11. J, $10. Number 17. Greens Prairie Elementary had 750 students last year. This year, the school has 495 students. Which equation would be best to use to find the difference in the number of students? Is it A, S equals 750 plus 495? Is it B, 750 plus 495 plus S? Is it C, 750 minus 450 plus S? Or is it S equals 750 minus 495? Number 18. Melanie had 2 $10 bills, 1 $5 bill, and 6 $1 bills. Then she bought a fruit cup for $10. How much money did Melanie have after she bought the fruit cup? F, $28. G, $24. H, $23. J, $18. Number 19. Disregard this part of the question. It was just extra, and it ended up there. We could not get rid of it. Which equation best matches the strip diagram below? Here's our strip diagram. What equation matches it? Is it B equals 14,214 plus 11,921 plus 872? Or B equals 14,214 minus 11,921 plus 872? Or is it C? B equals 14,291 minus 11,921 minus 872? Or is it D? B equals 11,921 minus 872 plus 14,214? And number 20. Southwest Airlines flew 821,924 miles in one weekend. About how many miles did they fly? F, 820,000 miles. G, 20,000 miles. H, 830,000 miles. Or J, 825,000 miles.